Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix if the add friend button is not showing up on your Facebook profile. Alright, so if you want to fix this issue when the add friend button is not showing up on your Facebook profile, so people cannot send you friend request on Facebook, here's how to fix it. So first open up the Facebook profile, then to prove that currently this friend request button is not showing up, if we click on three dots here and select view as, you can see that currently the follow button is showing up on my profile. So if a visitor would check out my profile and want to send me a friend request, they cannot do it. They just can click on follow, which works differently from a friend request button. So here's how to fix this issue. If you want to add the friend request button to your Facebook profile, all you have to do is click on the three dots there and select turn on professional mode, because in professional mode this friend request button will be removed and instead the follow button will be added to our Facebook profile. But if we turn off professional mode, as we can see, we can click here, tap on continue, then make sure you understand what happens when you turn off professional mode. So click on turn off, and now the professional mode has been turned off successfully. If we close this out and go back to our profile, now if we check out how it looks like to a regular Facebook profile visitor, by clicking on view as here, we can see here that the add friend button has been added to our Facebook profile, and now the follow button has been switched to this button. So this is how to fix if the add friend button is not showing up on your Facebook personal profile.